Every morning at the crack of dawn, a boy stood at the corner of a busy street barefoot, holding a stack of newspapers. He was only 12 years old. There was dirt on his face, clothes too big for his tiny frame, and on one foot just one old torn shoe. He'd found it in a dumpster. It wasn't even his size, but to him it was more than a shoe. It was hope. You see, life hadn't been kind. His father had walked out on them. His mother worked 3 jobs. Some days they didn't eat, but this boy, he didn't complain. He worked, he learned. And every night before he closed his eyes, he whispered to himself, "One day this won't be my story." At school, the kids laughed at him. They laughed at his clothes, his silence, his single shoe. But he wasn't quiet because he was weak. He was quiet because he was focused. Focused on the future. Focused on changing everything. While others played, he read. While others slept, he studied. He saved every coin he earned, and he helped his mom carry the weight of the world on their shoulders. He didn't wait for miracles, he built them. And then he made it. He became the first in his family to graduate, the first to open a business, the first to break the cycle of poverty, the first to prove that where you come from doesn't decide where you go. But he never forgot the boy with one shoe. Now he gives back. He buys shoes for children in need, not just to cover their feet, but to remind them of something far more powerful. Even if you start with nothing, even if you feel broken, forgotten, or small, you can rise. You can rewrite your story. You can go from the streets to success. From one shoe to walking tall,